Good morning, children. Today we'll start a new lesson, Municipality and Corporation. Mugilan went to his uncle's house during summer vacation. One day he was playing in a park. At that time he heard the municipality employees announcing that the people to pay taxes for house and others. Mugilan ran to his uncle. So Mugilan is a boy who has come to his uncle's house during summer vacation and he is playing on the park. And that time what did he hear? Municipality employees. So they are members of the government officers. So they come from the government corporation office. They announce the messages given by the government. So what they did announce? They announced that taxes for houses and others should be paid. Mugilan ran to his house. Why are you running? What happened? His uncle asking, why are you running? Mugilan is telling that, uncle, what is municipality? Why should we pay taxes? What is tax and why should we pay tax and what is municipality? That is the question asked by Mugilan. What did his uncle reply? Mugila, municipality is a form of local government in a small town where 50,000 to 1 lakh people live. So what does uncle say? So municipality is a local government and in the small town where people is around 50,000 to 1 lakh people, it is organized by the municipality. This is divided into several wards and the 50,000 to 1 lakh people ஒரு வார்டா they will split them. ஓகேங்களா, ஏன்னா மொத்தமாக சேர்ந்து வி கான் கண்ட்ரோல் அண்ட் வி கான் ஒருத்தரே போய் எல்லாருக்குமே அனௌன்ஸ்மெண்ட் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா ஒரு செட் ஆஃப் பீப்புளை ஒரு வார்டாக தே வில் ஸ்பிளிட். சில ஸ்ட்ரீட்ஸ் எல்லாம் சேர்த்து தே கம்பைன் இட் ஆஸ் அ வார்ட். ஸோ அந்த வார்டுக்கு ஒரு ஹெட் மாதிரி ஒரு இன்சார்ஜ் மாதிரி தே வில் புட். ஸோ இட் இஸ் பை தி முனிசிபாலிட்டி அந்தந்த வார்டுக்கு ஒரு இன்சார்ஜ் போடுவாங்க. ஸோ அந்தந்த வார்டில் ஏதாவது ப்ராப்ளம்னா தட் இன்சார்ஜ் பர்சன் வில் report to the municipality and that issue will go to the government. Okay, our house is in the 10th ward. So uncle's house is in the 10th ward. In our locality there are totally 30 wards. So and the small town la ethana wards irukku? 30 wards irukku. In Tamil Nadu there are 148 municipalities. So Tamil Nadu is a big state, so it has been divided into many municipality. Okay, Mugilan, who is the head of the municipality? So municipality oda head yaru appdi he is asking. So uncle, the head of the municipality is called the chairperson. Who is head of the municipality? Head of the municipality is called as the chairperson. One of the members of the municipality is selected as vice chairperson. So there is a head of the municipality is called as chairperson and one of the members of the municipality. So municipality members they choose for vice chairperson. The tenure of the members is 5 years. Tenure na and the and the பொறுப்புல இருக்கிறவங்க. So and the what to say and the so அந்த டியூட்டியில் இருக்கிறவங்களோட டைம் பீரியட் 5 years. ஸோ ஒன்ஸ் இன் 5 years as the government change எல்லா முனிசிபாலிட்டியில் உள்ள சேர்பர்சன்ஸும் கீப்ஸ் ஆன் சேஞ்சிங். ஸோ அவங்க நல்லா ரூல் பண்ணாங்கன்னா they are going to come as the chairperson. ஸோ அவங்களோட டைம் பீரியட் 5 years. Mugilan, uncle, what are the duties of the municipality? So we will see about the duties of the municipality. So what are the duties? Uncle saying providing street lamps, constructing library and its maintenance, maintaining local market, providing drinking water facilities, constructing roads, removing garbage dumps. So what is the duty of the municipality? So they have to check whether all the streets are provided with proper light electricity facilities. All the street lights, all the streets should have street lights and every ward should have a library and it should be maintained properly. Maintaining local market. So on the ஒரு wardலையும் they should have a market so that people don't crowd over a single market. Providing drinking water facilities. So every street should get drinking water. So it is a basic necessity of people. Okay, so they should get proper drinking water and constructing roads. All the roads should be properly constructed and should be maintained properly. Removing garbage dump. So now for the time 2 to 3 months you have been seeing that the garbages has been collected by a special battery vehicle. So they come and they collect the garbages from every houses. Now they are instructing that we should not throw the garbage in the street. it should be split. So garbage என்ன சொல்றாங்க, பிரிச்சு போடணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க, split பண்ணணும் as biodegradable waste, non degradable waste, plastic waste, hazards, அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாத்தையும் பிரிச்சு we have to. What is the source of income for the work done by municipality? So where do the people working in municipality are paid? They are paid by the central government, and state government provide the money for them. Who will provide the money? Central and the state government. How do they get money? How the government get money? They get the money from the tax which we people pay. People also pay in the form of house tax, professional tax, drinking water tax, shop tax, road tax, and drainage tax. It is also forms the income of the municipality. So the income comes from us. So we are paying the tax for everything. If you have a own house, you have to pay. If you have any property, we have to pay a property tax. If you have any shop, for that you have to pay shop tax. Drinking water and the drainage we use, we are paying tax for that. And for road also we pay tax. If you buy any vehicles, we have to pay a road tax, and we have to buy that vehicle. So these are the form of the income for government. The way the pay we for the tax is also the income for the government. The father of the local body is Lord Ripon. The following also comes under municipalities. What also comes under municipality? Township Cantonment Board, which is called as the military. It is, for example, it is Parangimalai and Kunnur Notified Area Committee. So these also comes under the municipality. The structure of the local bodies. So it is divided into two parts, the urban local bodies and the rural local bodies. Urban means it comes under cities. Cities comes under urban, and rural comes for village. Village is all called as rural areas. So urban local area. So the structure of the local bodies are corporation, municipality, town panchayat. So these local bodies comes under the urban. Rural local bodies are district panchayat, panchayat union, and village panchayat. In cities வந்து கொஞ்சம் developedன்றதுனால they come under the corporation, municipality, town panchayat comes under the cities, and rural village areas like district panchayat, panchayat union, and village panchayat are the structures of the local bodies. For example, we call Chennai, Tiruchi, Kovai, Madurai, and Salem are corporations. So these are cities. So these come under corporation. Okay. Chennai is called as Chennai Corporation, Tiruchi Corporation, Kovai, Madurai, Salem. These all come under corporation. The Balwant Rai Mehta Committee recommended a 3-tier Panchayat Raj system in 1957, and Ashok Mehta Committee recommended a 2-tier Panchayat Raj system in 1978. So Balwant Rai Mehta Committee recommended a 3-tier Panchayat Raj system, and Ashok Mehta Committee recommended 2-tier Panchayat Raj system in 1978. So next, Mugilan is asking, what is corporation? Certain municipality will be declared by the government of Tamil Nadu as corporation based on high population and high revenue. Okay, so what is corporation? It is a certain municipality which will be declared by the government of Tamil Nadu as corporation based on high population. ஒரு particular area வந்து corporation சொல்றாங்கன்னா எதை பேஸ் பண்ணி சொல்றாங்க? They are basing upon the high population and the high revenue. Revenue means the income of that place. High population and high revenue. So, uncle, how many corporations are there in Tamil Nadu? In Tamil Nadu, 15 corporations have been established, and the oldest corporation is Chennai. So, Chennai is the oldest corporation. And how many corporations are there in Tamil Nadu? There are 50 corporations in Tamil Nadu. So this is nature work in corporations. What and all work they do by the corporation. So this is the ribbon building of, this is called as the Chennai Corporation, and this is called as a ribbon building. So during the disasters in the road when we had flood, so the municipality people and the corporation people only, they came down and cleared the roads and the water dispose பண்றதுக்கு, and the trees, and the tree விழுந்து போன tree, அப்புறம் electricity lines எல்லாமே was damaged. So these all are repaired by the municipality, and these people help us during the hazard times.